Diba? Why would I answer to a member of the House of Representatives na merong utang sa aking husband ng 9 million?
Pumunta po kayo kay former President Duterte sa Quadcom, pumunta po kayo kay Yusek Lopez, pero sa mga hearings daw po hindi po kayo pumupunta.
Yes, tama yun. Tama yan. I don't know kung sugod ang tama na word doon dahil nagpaalam naman ako at pinayagan nila ako. Pero tama yon. Hindi talaga ako umaattend sa hearings. Why? Why would I answer to a speaker implicated in a bribery case on record in a court case? Why would I answer to a member of hanggang ngayon, hindi ko alam bakit member pa ito ng House of Representatives, convicted of child abuse, taking IP children doon sa amin sa Davao City, dadalhin sa Manila. Diba? Why would I answer to a member